Hey kiddos, Mrs. Dahl here with another Math Minute. So we've been practicing mental math strategies. We did 2 for addition, and then we also did 1 for subtraction. We used a number bond because we know that a number bond is our addition and our subtraction facts for one problem. It's a fact family, essentially. So today we're going to look at using tens for subtraction. And again, we have our audience with us. So he seems a little more interested today. I think maybe he liked our first lesson on using a number bond for subtraction. Let's see how he does today. All right, so let's look at our first subtraction sentence. 45 minus 10 equals. Well, we have learned so much with place value. That's such a good tool in our math belt when we've practiced with place value and tens and ones. So let's use that now since we have that tool for the subtraction problem. I know that 45 is 40 and 5. So I'm going to turn that into a number bond here just to help me remember. So 45 is 40 and 5. Well, then I can easily look at 40 minus 10 because I know that's really 4 tens and 1 10. And so what I'm really doing is I'm making my 4 tens, just going to draw them quickly here. I have 4 tens for 40, and I am taking 1 away, 1 10, because 10 is 1 10. So I am left with 3 tens or 30. And I am also left with 5 ones. Since I did 40, take away 10, and I still have my 5 ones, I'm left with those 5 ones. So my answer is 35. 45 minus 10 equals 35. Another way that we know that is when we look at a hundreds chart, we know that above the number is 10 less, and 35 is above 45 on a hundreds chart, so it's 110 less. So essentially, I just took 1 10 away since there's a 0 here. All right, let's try that again. 37 minus 10 equals. Well, again, I know that 37 is 30 and 7. Boy, number bonds sure help us a lot, don't they? And if I have 30 take away 10, or 3 tens and 1 10, I'm left with 2 tens. 3 tens take away 1 10 equals 2 tens, so 20. And again, you could draw that out too to help you. 3 tens, because that's 30, and I'm taking away one of those tens, or 10, and I'm left with 2 tens, 10, 20. So I'm putting a 2 in the tens place. 30 minus 10 equals 27, because I'm left with my 7 ones still. All right, let's try that another time. 59 minus 10 equals. Well, I know that 59 is 50 and 9. And I know, I'm going to scoot Pooh out of the way here just a second. Excuse us there. Thank you, sir. Hey again, kids. Hey. All right, so 50 take away 10 equals 40, or 4 tens. 49. I'm left with my ones. So it's pretty easy when you're taking away just 10, because you can look at the numbers and know that 110 less than this number is one number less in the tens place. One number less than 5 is 4, and it's in the tens place, so that means 40. 59 minus 10 equals 49. All right, so then the last one, 12 minus 10. Well, I have 10 and 2 when I have 12, don't I? So, oh, look at that, 10 minus 10. If I have 10, take away 10, I don't have any, so I should have nothing here in the tens place, but I'm left with 2. So the answer is 2. 12 minus 10 equals 2. All right, so again, that's another strategy that we can add to our math tool belt using our tens and our knowledge of place value to help us with a mental math strategy when we're doing subtraction. All right, until next time. Bye-bye.